Hello students, today we will do the numbers. What is number? What is the definition of number? A noun word that tells us its quantity is called its number. Any word that tells us about the counting of the persons, animals or anything is called the number. Number is of two types. Now first is singular number. Any noun that denotes only one person, place, or thing is said to be in the singular number. Means any word that tells us that the thing is one, the place is one, or person is one. It means any word that tells or talks about the one person, one place, or one animal is called a singular number. Like cow, singular, room, shirt, bird. Second is plural number. Plural number, a noun or a pronoun that denotes more than one person, place, or thing is said to be in plural number. Means any word that tells us that the things, places, persons are more than one is called a plural number, like cows, rooms, shirts, birds. Students, how we can form plural numbers from the singulars? We have some words that can be made adding only s to make them plural, like dog, dogs, day, days, horse, horses, game, games, book, books, and aunts. We have more than these words like car, cars, cat, cats, dog, dogs, etc. According to the second rule, the words that ends with s, sh, ch, double s, x, or z. We add es. We add only es with these words, like bus, buses. We have added es. As, asses. We have added es. Bushes, es. Benches, es. Sixes, es. And boxes. Other words of this type are bunch, bunches, box, boxes, watch, watches, class, classes, tax, taxes. According to the next rule, words ending with y and a consonant before it. The words that end with y, in the end there is y, and before it there is a consonant r, a, r, l, d, r. The words ends with y and a consonant before it. Students, you know that we have 26 alphabets. Out of them, 21 are consonant and 5 are vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Remember, we have 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Now what he says, the words ends with Y and have a consonant before it. We remove Y plus IES. What we do? We remove Y and plus IES. You can see here is Y, we have removed Y and plus IES. Minus Y, remove Y plus IES. Minus Y plus IES. Same as here, fly, flies, body, bodies, story, stories. What he next says, words ending with O and a consonant before it. The words that ends with O and a consonant before it. We also add es to make these words plural. Tomato, tomatoes, we have added es. Mango, added es, mangoes. Cargo, added es, cargoes. Hero, added es. Zero, es. Volcano, volcanoes. Sometimes we have words with them we add only s to make them plural, like canto, cantos. You can see that this word also ends with O and a consonant before it, but we add only s to make these words plural, right? You can see canto, cantos, photo, photos, piano, pianos, solo, solo, right? Next are beta words ending with double vowel like EO, IO, WO, EE, EE. We add S these in the end of these words to make these words plural, like tree. S is added, trees. Knee, knees, S is added. Cuckoo, cuckoos, we add only S to make it plural. Radio and radios. We have other words of this type: hollow, stereo, Eskimo, dynamo, right? According to the next rule, the words that ends with F or FE, in these words we remove F minus F or FE or plus VES to their plural form. Here loaf, in the end of the noun there is F, we remove F and plus VES. This is the plural, this is singular. Knife, FE in the end of the noun, we remove it and will add VES. Wife, we remove FE and will add VES. Leaf, F will be removed and VES will be added to make these all words plural. Any word that ends with F or FE, what we do, we remove F or FE and add VES to make these words plural. Next beta, sometimes we add only S to make these words plural. Like in this word, we see that the words ends with F F and F. But we have only added S to make these words plural. Right? You have to need to remember these words. Next, students, we have some words. To make them plural, we add only en or ren. Right? Like ox, we have added en, oxen. Child, children, ren. Chick, chicken, en. Right? These are totally different words. Next is changing by between vowel. What happens now? We have some words are given and we change the central vowel between them to make these words plural. Like man, A's vowel, we will change it in E to make this word plural. Man, men. Foot, double O will be changed into feet. Woman, women. Same as man or men, women and women, A will be changed into E. Next is goose, it will change into double E, geese. Tooth, double O will be changed into double E. Postman, postman, A will be changed into E. So we change the center vowel to make these words plural. Next, students, with words, symbols and numbers we add S. When any word, symbol or number is given to us and we change it into the plural, we add only S. Like BA, we have used BA apostrophe S. LLB, LLB apostrophe S. 3, threes apostrophe S. D apostrophe S. Students, one thing will be remembered here that we have to use apostrophe, then we are asked to add S to make these words plural. Next, beta, sometimes compound nouns are given to us. Here is noun, not sentences, noun or words. When we are given compound nouns or words, what we do? We add only S to make them plural. Looker on, lookers on. Father-in-law, fathers, we had only fathers-in-law. Man servant, man servants. Man eater, man eaters. Horse race, horse races. ठीक है? Like passerby, passers-by. Stepson, stepsons. Class fellow, class fellows. Commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Maid servant, maid servants. These are some other words of this type. Students, some words are used at both singular or plural in both forms. Like deer. When we talk about singular deer, we will also say deer, and its plural is also deer. Fish is for singular and fish is for plural. Series is for singular and series is for singular. Students, some nouns seems as singular but their meaning is plural, like cattle, like cattle, right? It is used for plural but seems as it is a singular. Folk, people, extra. Students, some nouns are plural but seems as singular, like swix, news, news is singular but seems as it is plural. Accounts, extra. I think you all have understood it clearly.